Hi, I am Yasser Arfat. I am here with another maths video for class 10 CBSE students. I welcome all of you to this video. Trigonometry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing the chapter applications of trigonometry. We discussed many problems. If you didn't watch previous videos, you can get the link to the playlist of chapter 9 applications of trigonometry from the description of this video. In this video also, we will discuss some tough question. If you are watching my videos first time, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and also share this video to your friends. We can move to the question.
As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depressions of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. These are some of the application of trigonometry. You simply just think about that question. Simply standing on the top of a lighthouse in the back, we can simply calculate the distance between two ships in the sea. Okay, so first you draw the picture. One ship is exactly behind the other. So it will come on one line. That is the lighthouse. Second ship and first ship will come on one line. I shall bring the question here. So I will come a lighthouse. A lighthouse. We can start from a lighthouse. A lighthouse. Then from the top of the lighthouse on the sea level, we see one of the ship at 45 degree depression in the sea. So we can draw most like this. 45 degree depression. The depression angle we can mark here. The angle of depression here 45 degree. And the second ship we see at an angle of 30 degree, depression 30 degree. So you can draw the depression angle 30 degree here. Angle of depression 30 degree here. Okay. So ship one ship here, a second ship here, 2 points. Okay. The AB is the tower. And suppose P and Q are the ships at these points. So this is the picture. So if you could draw the picture, then I think the balance are very simple. The direction, no problem. From right to left or left to right, that's no problem. So we can mark the alternate angles. What will be this angle? APB.
45
degree. And what will be this angle? AQB or PQB?
30
degree. So we got two right triangles. We want the AB, the height of the lighthouse is given that 75 meter. So we want to find out the distance between the two ships, that is PQ we want to find out. The distance PQ we want to find out. We can take it as X. PQ is equal to X. And this AP we don't know, we can simply take as Y or something. Okay. So I think from these two right triangles, we can make two equations, and from those equations, we can solve for X and Y. So we can start in triangle APB. Triangle APB, what will come? Tan 45 is equal to AB by AP, right? So substitute the value. What is tan 45?
1.
AB is given that 75, so 75 by Y. So what will be value of Y?
75.
25 meter. Okay. Then we take the next triangle, right triangle, which is, what's the name of next right triangle here? There are three triangles.
ABQ.
ABQ, right. ABQ. Okay, right triangle ABQ. Okay. So you give the values. Tan 30, right? Tan 30 is equal to what will come?
AB by AQ.
AB by AQ. Okay, right. AB by AQ. Tan 30, what is tan 30?
1 by root.
By root 3.
By root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB we know 75 by AQ. AQ is x plus y. AQ is equal to x plus y. Okay, then cross multiply, you will get x plus y is equal to 75 root 3. Then now we can substitute. Okay, y is equal to 75. So what will get x plus y for y? We can substitute 75. 75 is equal to 75 root 3. So next step, x is equal to 75 root 3.
Minus 75.
Yes, minus 75. 75 root 3 minus 75. So next step, what will come?
75.
75.
25 root 3 minus 1.
Minus 1.
Root 3 minus 1 will come. Okay. So this is what we want to find out, right? X. Okay. So this much meter will come. Okay. So that is distance between ships is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. That will be approximately equal to 75 into 0.73 will come, right? Okay. So if it is asked, you want to give the approximate value. Okay. So look here, I will explain again. So question is like this: from the top of a lighthouse, we see two ships on the sea at an angle of depression 45 degree and 30 degree. Okay. So we can draw picture like this. It is said that the ships are, one ship is exactly behind the other. So they will form a line. The lighthouse and the ships will form a line. Okay. Then we drew the picture and we give some names. And from these two right triangles, we solved for x and y. Okay. Here one mistake students make is the second triangle they will take as PQB. That is wrong, right? We cannot take a triangle PQB because PQB is not right triangle, right? PQB is not right triangle. Okay. So that's okay. So next question, I think we cannot complete. I'll give you some hints only. Okay. So only 5 questions remains. I think you can do. I think these are very simple. 15th question, just to read. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observe a car at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay. So how we can draw the picture? That's what we discussed. We don't solve for the answer. How we can draw this picture? A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. So a tower is there, and a straight highway leads to this tower. Okay. And then what? From the top of the tower, observer can see a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. Right? So from the top of this tower, the observer can see a car which is coming towards the tower at an angle of depression 30 degrees. So we can mark the angle of depression 30 degree here. Okay. Then which is approaching to the foot of the tower. That car is coming towards the tower. And next statement is 6 seconds later. The car is moving on. The angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Okay, this car is moving towards the tower. And at that time, after 6 seconds, the car is seen at an angle of depression 60 degree. So it will come almost like this. Okay, so the angle of depression, this total angle is given as 60 degree. So the picture will come like this. You can also mark 30 here. Okay, so here the speed is at that uniform speed, and the distance is not given, but the time taken to travel this distance is given that time is given that 6 seconds. You know the relation between time, speed, and distance. Okay, so apply that. I think from these two right triangles, you can find out the times to travel the next distance, that is this small distance. That's what in the question. Okay,